Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw arrows on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to show you how to draw arrows. And of course, if you want to do that, let's just go to the list panel, click on play as an example. And here, let's just go as an example to analyze or classroom, because we don't need to play against someone to show you how to draw arrows. We'll need just a board. As an example, this is going to be the board, of course, here. And this classroom, you can play as black and white. And as you can see, the normal pattern, if you want to move the pieces, is just simply by clicking them and simply click on wherever you want to take them, or you can simply hold them by their left click and of course put them wherever you want. That's how you move the pieces. If you want to draw the arrows, of course, you can simply go and hold the right click instead of the left click and just drag your mouse to the position that you would like the arrow to be drawn into. As you can see, can draw it here, here, and of course, if you want to delete it, just draw the same arrow and it will be deleted. If you want to delete all the arrows, click one left click on the board and everything will be deleted. So this will actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.